Welcome to the app, where learning algorithms becomes intuitive and interactive. Visualize each step of complex operations like red-black trees, where you can see the tree balancing itself automatically, ensuring efficient searches. Construct graphs and explore how depth-first and breadth-first searches work in real time. See each algorithm traverse nodes, providing clarity through step-by-step animations. Master the union-find data structure by interacting directly with the app. Understand how efficient set operations are performed. Visualize the process of building minimum spanning trees with Prim's and Kruskal's algorithms, connecting vertices in a way that's both intuitive and instructive. Explore fundamental and advanced sorting algorithms, including merge sort, heap sort, and quick sort. See data organize itself in real time, helping you grasp the inner workings of each method.